Ma'am, what is running for you in one word?
Running for me is
Nice to meet you, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
right.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Is very
Dolo lang.
Gift.
Gift. Well,
It's a
running
gift.
is a
It's a
gift.
gift.
Wow.
Wala gyud ni gawas diri nga limpyo.
Kumusta, sir?
Wala mo inani, wala mo. Shortcut mo. Tagalog.
Ay, saan pong lugar po kayo nang galing?
Cavite.
Cavite ang layo, ma'am. Kinausap ko. Nag-usap ako, nag-usap din siya, nag-inusapay kami. What
Some
is
chord.
running for you? In one
Running,
word.
apil ko running para di ko masugo sa
Likay sa asawa.
Oh,
Running
likay
is likay sa asawa.
Okay,
At ang lugar gikan, ma'am?
Valencia.
Valencia City. City of the Golden Friendship.
Golden Harvest.
Golden Harvest. Yes. Gapoy yun si ma'am.
My Apla.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Ma'am. Nice to Para na bundak, sir?
Bundak ay.
Bundak. Mga runners. Morning, sir. Grabe ba yun? Ulahin na kayo ko, guys. Good morning, ma'am and sir. Mga boss, good morning. Ulahin na kayo ko na. Kami paspasa, ganda akong busing, koy. Kapila?
Kedua.
Pang 42 kilometers. Proud pangantukan, no? Gabi kalapok yun. Boss B-Boy Apaap. Kaduha sa 42 kilometers. Another runner, oh. Ay, mga boss. Morning, ma'am. Sir, morning, sir. Ala ka, pangantukan yapon. Morning, ma'am. Morning, sir. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Morning, morning, boss. Morning, sir. Okay, guys. Good morning, ma'am and sir. Say hi. Morning, sir. 21 kilometer kaya po din, sir. Sir, good morning. Say hi. Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, morning, sir. Morning, sir. Morning. Morning, sir. Morning. Pila ka kayo, sir? 21.
21.
Morning, sir. Ang agikan lugar, sir?
42 km.
42 km. Ang agikan ng lugar, 42 km. Okay na. Apil na. Part na sa job. Mga sir, good morning. At agikan ng lugar, mga sir.
Ilan?
Kadingilan. Grabe po mga runners, Kadingilan, no? Runners kid sila. Good morning, sir. Morning, ma'am. Morning, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan. Enjoy the trail. Sir, morning. Sir, morning, sir. Morning. Sir, good morning. Dire ang exit, sir. Dire ang exit, ah. Thank you. Proud Pangantukan niya po niyo. Atong one lovely husband sa toang SK Fed. Sir, good morning. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. At agikan ng lugar, sir. Ay, taga Madaya. Proud Pangantukan niya po. Grabe, daghanan na nag-runner sa Pangantukan, eh. Good morning, sir. At agikan ng lugar, sir. Maramag ra, medyo dola si sir, no?
Dola sir.
21 kilometers, sir.
21 kilometers.
Sir, let's go, sir. Amping, sir. Dola lang, sir. Sir, good morning, sir. Nga lugar gikan, sir.
Balay.
Balay. Balay si sir, bye. Congrats, sir. Dola lang, sir. Morning, sir. Morning, ma'am. Ala, pampangantukan ka, ma'am. Ay, pangantukan na tayo. Nanabat another runner pampangantukan, no?
First time.
Grabe, bay. Duhan na ka Bureau of Fire na gid na sa tuwa.
Tiga.
Morning, sir. Okay ra ang lapok, sir? Wala na bundak? Pitik kayo.
Out idol.
Pila ka kay? 21.
21
Wala ba?
kay.
Sayo pa kay sila bay. Nakagawas na. Ha? Di, mas dola lang. May problema. Morning, mga sir. Tagi ka ng lugar.
Pinakaunang station nito di na.
Maglaos na mong guro pagawas.
American.
Pangutana lang mo daw. Ang lugar gikan.
Balay.
Malay. Don Carlos, Malay. Okay, mga boss, wala nang ausdak.
Wala ra hilo kay boss.
Hinlo. Way pakay, way tatsa, no? Lapok. Musta ang ruta, sir?
Dira kay lapok.
Di ra kay lapok. Wala ra nang ausdak. Chill. Okay. Musta ang ruta, sir?
Yayay kayo.
Yayay.
Pero goods na.
Wala ra nang ausdak, sir. Walay tatsa. Ay, sangyan ra, dili na namusdak, sangyan ra. Okay. Lugar gikan, sir.
Balay.
Kumusta ang ruta, sir?
Pero man,
Okay ra.
sa unahan.
Wala lang. Uwa na wala, sir. Champion yun. Murag duda ko. Trail di Pangantukan, jud. Trail di Pangantukan. Taman sa mga sa Mio. Sir, pila ka kay, sir? 21.
21.
Ang lugar gikan, sir? Valencia City. Pila ka kay? 21. Ang lugar gikan ta, sir?
Valencia. Ay,
Ay, kato inyong lugar gid sir.
Ay, Lantapan.
Lantapan, Valencia. Kumusta ruta sir?
Kira.
Okay ra.
Kira, patawa. May lagi yung buligid.
Kumusta sir? Kumusta ang ruta sir? And ma'am?
Piti.
Piti. Wara na bundak ma'am?
Bundok.
Ay, bundak. Part of the... Ay, Tagalog kuan. Suda ba? Para sa'yo, ano ang running sa'yo? Maka, what can you say about the place sir?
Okay kayo, kay naunay ko sa akong gibuhat na ruta. Talawa oh.
Alo. At ang lugar gikan sir?
Takurong City.
Takurong ka na. Layo pa di kayo sir ba?
Shout out sa Infantry School.
Infantry School.
Philippine Army.
Lah, Philippine Army sir. Sir, morning sir. Ang lugar gikan sir?
Kidapawan sir.
Kidapawan layo. At ang lugar gikan sir? Malay-balay doon lang si sir pero layo gyapon. Kumusta ang dalan sir?
Okay kayo.
Wala ra na bundak sir? Wala ra? Ang hugaw sa lubot sir, sangyad ra. Sangyad ra. Morning sir. At ang lugar gikan sir? Kidapawan City. Ito lugar gikan sir?
From the municipality of Manolo Fortich.
Manolo Fortich. Okay. Morning sir. Morning. Musta ang ruta sir?
Fun run!
Tama tayo another runner no ma'am. Welcome to mga tukan ma'am. First time diri ma'am? First time? Musta ang ruta diri ma'am?
Grabe, kalapok.
Wala na usdak ma'am? Wala na usdak? Wala ra ang hugaw ma'am. Sangyad na sangyad.
Pero okay sa first timer.
Okay sa pace sir. Wow. Congrats sir.
Thank you station.
Yes sir. Ruta sir. Okay ra. Way lapok. Wala na usdak sir.
Gamay.
Gamay. Ay, kuha na sir. Sandig ra na, sandig. Ang lugar gikan sir? Aglayan. Kumusta ang ruta sir?
Tayo.
Okay kayo. Wala na lapok sir. Wala na usdak sir. Wala ra. Wait tatsa. Way pakay.
Wala.
So ano ba tayo mga runners no? And one of them is Sir June Secadron. Kumusta ang ruta mga sir?
Hindi pa basta-basta.
Di ba basta? Wala ra na usdak. Wala ra. Dili, gunit na sa sponsor sa Yuta. Sir June,
Hey, BJ.
what can you say sir?
The great.
The grace. Sir, kanang one, what is running for you?
Running is my
My
life.
Wow! Running life bars. Okay, thank you. Musta ang dalan, boss?
Bertilisura.
Betil sudah. Okay, shout out boss, baby loves.
Shout out kang Nicole nasa Davao.
Hey!
Shout out sa mga magpapala ko.
Oh, yes.
Badidas Pabusog
Yes,
represent.
Badidas
Let's go.
pabusog, no? Kahit na maglitsa mar to, lami kayo
Oh.
guys.
Nako.
Musta ang ruta, sir?
Grabe kapite.
Sabi ka, piti.
First ko na ko na yung first trail nga piti kayo.
Yes, sir. Wala na usdak, sir.
Para.
Wala, kalmar kayo. Busog, sir. Importante, busog, sir, no?
Oh, shout out to si Toy Vlogs. BG.
Wala na, busog na. Pwede na. Pwede na. O niya, pabididits, pabusog mo niya, guys. Daghan kay litsa manok ko niya. Mao gani. Apil ka te. Wala te. Abi lang siya. Champion lang ta ka te. Pabor kay ila sapatos si mga butas. Lero, morning mga sir.
Good morning.
Say hi to my vlog. Welcome to Pangalukan. What can you say about the route?
Ay, ambot na lang yun.
Ambot na lang yun. Sakit kayo. Interview. Morning ma'am.
Shout out dahil sa vlogger gyapon.
Para sa inyo tarang na question, what is running for you guys?
Pumunta na to guys sa what is running for you sa kuha kay pagpalusway termo to sa kuha.
Pang sweet karon sir, nahabit na.
Nahabit na.
Yes.
Oh, nga nakanindot.
Aping sir.
Ay.
Say pangalan po si mo sir.
Tag ni Max.
Lag ni Max. Okay sir, thank you. Lag ni Max. Follow you guys. How was the route sir?
It's fine.
It's fine. Wala lapok sir?
Napa.
Wala na bundak sir?
Wanay kabutangan sa lapo.
Wala kabutangan.
Padudos na daan.
Ala, another Pangantukan. Sir. Sir, morning. Welcome to Pangantukan sir.
Welcome to Pangantukan.
First time sir?
First time
First
pa.
time, sir.
Grabe.
Morning mga sir.
Tanin niyo dari ay.
Ayo.
Morning sir. Pila ka kayo sir?
Morning.
Ang lugar gikan sir?
Davao.
Davao. Layo pag dito sir no? Listeners no? So welcome to Pangantukan mga sir. Ito my vlog. So what can you say about the mga lapok sir? Kira? Piti. Sir, musta sir? Ang lapok sir?
Okay ra.
Wala ra na usdak sir?
Wala na no.
Wala gi ebidensya sir. Wala gyud. Ebidensya gyud nga nang usdak gyud. Kanlo koy. Dili basta-basta ang trail di Pangantukan guys, kay giulan og pila ka adlaw. Kan frita. Pag ako na po'y runner guys, runner. Ako na po'y runner. Luwan ta mo. Kanto ba to? Hi, morning. 21, 82 kilometers. Lapok sir. Wala na bundak sir,
bundak.
bundak yun. Part of the game na sir no. Experience no, experience.
Oh, pila.
Wait at sir, wala ebidensya agay na ebidensya sir. Sir, morning sir. Sound trip ra tirada sir ba? Sound trip ra.
Okay, one na ikaw ba?
Wala naman. Morning sir. Ah, lugar gikan sir.
Balay-balay.
Malay-balay. Okay.
Salamat.
Welcome to 42. Wow, congrats sir, congrats sir. Dola lang sir, dola lang sir. Ah, nga lugar gikan sir. Malay-balay. Grabe gid ang runner sa Malay-balay no. Lagi mga bata no, lupig itong mga bata ni bay. 21 km mo sayo pa kini kagawas. Morning to Good morning sir. Welcome to Pangantukan. Where you from sir? Malay-balay. Grabe mga. Where you from sir? Malay-balay. Pila edad na to duha sir?
14 o
14 og 12. Wow. They are entering running industry for younger years. Sir, morning sir. 42 kilometers. Wow.
Nakay, bigay na.
Bigay sir. Okay na sir. Part of the game. Lapok sir. Nah, grabe. Nabundak yun sir.
Dito sa 25 pa km pa.
Okay na sir.
Hindi na ako maginhawa ang
Congrats yapon sir. Congrats yapon sir. Good morning ma'am and sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, kumusta ang ruta ma'am and sir?
tagka po ya.
Medyo halang-halang.
Medyo alang-alang. Okay ra. Okay. At ang lugar gikan ma'am and sir?
Manolo.
Manolo for teach. Wala ko labi. Gikan ko from Pangantukan. Lain na group may interview sa kanya. Ako na yung madagan ba. I'm from Pangantukan. Vlog, welcome to Pangantukan. Kumusta ruta sir?
Okay ra.
Okay ra.
Grabe ka ni Gias.
Wala ra na bundak sir.
Wala ra.
Wala ra.
Pagagulit-gulit yan.
Welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say sa atong ruta sir?
Dadag ayo, grabe,
Dada.
kansod.
Ang lugar gikan sir?
Sa Malay-balay.
Malay-balay. Aglayan. Kumusta ang ruta mga boss? Wala na wala.
Okay ra.
Ebidensya sir, ebidensya.
Ako masulti sa ruta guys.
Kabate.
Kabate. At least may ebidensya sir.
Nangugas na.
Ano ka sir? Hugas na. Now another runner oh. Sir, good morning sir. 42 kilometers, grabe. Musta sir? Musta?
Okay ra ba ya?
Okay ra, okay ra. Para na bundak sir?
Bunda kayo.
Ah, bundak kayo. Bundak kayo daw. Good morning ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. 42 kilometers si ma'am bay.
Ay,
Grabe good ma'am. Wapoy ma'am, salty ma'am. Speechless ko ma'am.
Lami kay Nuta, sir.
Ah, lugar gikan ma'am.
Palutakay.
Balutakan. Okay. Sir, morning sir.
Good morning.
Wow, 21 kilometers. Ah, nga lugar gikan sir?
Cagayan.
Cagayan de Oro. May muntang ma'am. Pila ka kay ma'am? 21 kilometers. Surigao del Sur. Wow. Lagyuak itong marano sir. Sir, morning. Musta ang ruta sir?
Grabe ka.
Grabe, grabe.
Grabe ka na bull.
Dili ra kay mailan nga lapok sir.
Dili ra gyud mailan no?
Te, morning te.
Good morning, Dad.
Musta ang ruta te? Lapok ite.
Tingnan po ka.
Lapok. Sir, good morning sir. So, where you from sir?
Sugong.
Ipasugong. What can you say about the route sir?
Grabe ka tik-tik.
Sabi ka. Sir, what is running for you sir?
Kapoy-kapoy lang.
Kapoy-kapoy lang. Kamusta na po another Pangantukan runner? From teaching to running. Ay, sabay ma'am, sabay. Sir, morning sir. Welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say about the route sir? Okay kayo. Ah, tanga lugar gikan sir?
Ramag.
Maramag doon sir. Ma'am, welcome to Pangantukan. First time here ma'am? First time? Wow.
First time nakita.
What can you say about the place ma'am?
Kumusap po. The place is very cool, nice.
Nice.
But the route is, I don't know. I cannot.
Sa panahon na po siguro ma'am.
Sa bagay sila nagutas.
Ma'am, may medyo ka ma'am. What is running for you?
Running for me, it's therapy.
Therapy, wow.
Yes. It's
Running,
stress
therapy,
reliever.
wow. Stress reliever.
Pag mudagan ka.
Ma'am, sama itong mga nasa mga battle scars na ma'am?
Wala gyud ni gawas diri nga limpyo.
Oh, lagi ma'am. Katara si auntie ma'am.
Asa ato ato.
Pero taga balay ma'am. Naila, dire lang balay. Hinla siya ma'am, kaya taga dire naman mo siya. Amping ma'am, congrats ma'am. Ma'am Roma Christie from Pangantukan. Kumusta ang ruta mga sir? Tiles? Tiles? Tiles na lapok.
Morning raw, alay god.
In one word sir, unsa yung makaingon sa ruta? One word lang.
Ayos.
Ayos.
Okay kayo.
Okay, sakit.
Kita namin.
Ano na punta na the runner no from Pangantukan? Dire na boss, dire na boss. Good morning ma'am. What can you say about the place ma'am?
Nice.
The ruta ma'am.
Lami.
Boss, morning. Welcome to Pangantukan sir.
Sige, sige. First time na ako drive.
First time ni mo sir?
Lagi.
Murang na ako sir. Bunda ka sir, nabunda ka sir. Or nihawid lang sir, nihawid lang. Nikis lang, okay. Pangantukan, what can you say about the route sir?
So kapoy.
It's so kapoy. Wala na bunda sir?
Wala ra.
Wala. Safe ra. Walay tatsa. Sir, musta sir? Wala na bundak sir?
Bunda kid.
Grabe sir. Oy, naibigin sir ni Kiss lang sir, wala bundak ni Kiss lang. Sana mo tayo na runner no sila sir, 21 and 21, 321 runners. Welcome to Pangantukan mga sir. Kumusta ang ruta sir? Okay ra, wala lapok sir, wala lapok. Wala ra, di ra may lan.
Hindi ka maklaro.
Ata lugar gikan sir? Bukidnon ra, Bukidnon sir. Valencia. Malay. Okay sir. Congrats sir, congrats. Dola. Wala gi mo tayo excited sir. Bakla lang. Trail walk. Agay. Yay na injured si sir day. Sir ang lugar gikan sir? Kibawi. Medyo doon sir pero layo gyapon na Kibawi. So, musta ang experience sir? Good ra. First time sir?
Oh.
Wow, grabe first time yan yung ruta. Grabe ka power sir bay. Congrats sir, congrats.
Ito ba talaga nagdagay?
Ma'am, ata nga lugar gikan ma'am? Bohol. Ang layo ba ma'am?
Yes. Nintoy rami.
Tinon ma'am nga ang Bohol ma'am walay kabayo.
Naa.
Kabadyo noon. Kabadyo. Thank you ma'am. Ping ma'am, wala na bundak ma'am? Wala ra ebidensya ma'am.
Nagamit ang pagkaong.
Sir, good morning sir.
Good morning.
Where you from sir?
Tagum.
Na layo pa kayo si Roy. Sir, what can you say about the route sir?
The road is quiet. Brutal.
Brutal. Di na mailan zero, lapo kay zero. Ang mga sapatos nila ba, ang mga mahalon kay nga sapatos, tagpila ko ng sapatos, mga 5K. Ba? Tag 5 mil ya. Ugaw na kayo. Ya, di siya basta-basta yun guys ha. Magamping lang ta perminti guys. Mga tayo runners, lady runners. 21 kilometers. Ma'am, wala ra tanga bundak ma'am? Wala ra. Safe. Manageable. Wow. Ma'am, na ko one question. What is running for you guys?
Running is very expensive for
It's
me. Thank you.
amazing. So ma'am, nice to meet you ma'am.
Alright.
Nice to meet you ma'am.
Is very
Dola lang ma'am, natin idea ma'am and enjoy bawi sa kaon ma'am. Thank you. So na punta another runner. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Where you from ma'am?
Damolog.
Damolog Bukidnon ma'am. What can you say about sa tong ruta karon ma'am?
Very nice.
Very nice ma'am.
Challenging.
Ma'am, nice to meet you ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what in one word, what is running for you?
Love.
Love. Running is love. Okay, running love. Pwede ra. Pwede ra ma'am. Running love. Pwede ra. Morning.
Good morning.
What can you say about the place?
Amazing.
The route.
Cool.
Ang ruta.
Galing. Tapok.
Wala ra na bundak sir.
Wala ra buyag.
What is running for you sir? One word.
Running.
Running is killing. Pwede ra. 21 kilometers. Medyo kuan sila sir, mga bagsik yun sila sir, tanahon bay. Murag wala gini sila nga bundak bay, pugong kani. Sir, musta sir?
Dira.
Musta ang ruta sir?
Pita.
Pita. In one word sir, what is running for you guys?
Running is life.
Running is life. Sir, running is kapoy na sir. Running is tiring. Kapoy na sir. Okay na sir, may problema. Hi ma'am. Welcome to Pangantukan. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am?
The place is so wonderful.
Wow, thank you, ma'am. Amping, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. In one word, what is running for you?
Running is life.
Running is life. Dagan naging running is life, no? So, mag-running na po tingali ko, no? Eh, running is life, man. Ikaw, what is running for you? Wala. Okay, nanapatay na di runner, no? Ay, kuan ma'am, trail walk. Back layer. Ma'am, pila ka kigidaga? 21. Ang lugar gikan, ma'am? Poblasyon? Pangantukan? Wow.
Trail run, kala agri.
So, what can you say about the route, ma'am?
Road yun siya.
Ruta gid siya. Ma'am, in one word, what is running for you?
Para di tamapuan sa
Oh, this is grabe si ma'am bay. One word lang ipa sentence ang yata, grabe. Powerful. Sir, good morning. Where you from, sir? Kida pa, piti malayawan ni sir. Sir, kumusta ang ruta?
Kapoy.
Kapoy.
Pataas.
Pataas. Sir, what is running for you in one word?
Happiness.
Running is happiness. Sir, good morning. Grabe si sir ba yun? Shout out.
Shout out sa Kidapawan Runners Club Hangat and
Sir, good morning.
Kidapawan Club 9.
Sir, good morning, sir. What is running for you, sir? Kapoy na siya, kapoy. Kapoy na. Kapoy na. Kapoy na. Sir, musta sir?
Dira.
Musta ang ruta sir?
Ita.
Pita. In one word sir, what is running for you guys?
Running is life.
Running is life? Sir,
Running is...
running is... Kapoy na sir, running is tiring. Kapoy na sir, okay na sir, may problema. Hi ma'am. Welcome to Pangansukan. So what can you say about the place ma'am?
The place is so wonderful.
Wow, thank you ma'am. Amping ma'am. Nice to meet you ma'am. Thank you ma'am. In one word, what is running for you?
Running is life.
Running is life. Dagan naging running is life no? So mag-running na po tingali ko no? Eh, running is life man. Ikaw, what is running for you? Wala. Okay, nanabot tayo na di runner no? Ay, kuhan ma'am, trail walk. Back layer. Ma'am, pila ka kigidaga? 21. Ang lugar gikan ma'am? Poblasyon? Pangantukan? Wow.
Trail run, kala agri.
So, what can you say about the route ma'am?
Road din siya.
Iruta gid siya. Ma'am, in one word, what is running for you?
Para di tamapsan sa
What is it? Grabe si ma'am bay. One word lang ipang sentence ang yata. Grabe. Powerful. Sir, good morning. Where are you from, sir? Kida pa. Piti malayawan ni sir. Sir, kumusta ang ruta?
Kapoy.
Kapoy.
Pataas.
Pataas. Sir, what is running for you in one word?
Happiness.
Running is happiness. Sir, good morning. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Kumusta ang ruta, sir? Okay ra. What is running for you, sir? Running. Running is kapoy. Running is kapoy. Pwede ra. Running, kapoy. Pwede ra. So, we have another runners, no? Si ma'am and si ma'am. So, murag dili ra kay mailan sila nga gikapoy sila o gisulan sila sa ruta. Blooming gyapon kay sila. Ma'am, what can you say about sa atong ruta karon, ma'am?
Very kuan. Very challenging.
Challenging, wow. Ma'am, in one word, what is running for you?
Running is for stress reliever.
Wow. Thank you, ma'am. Ito, ma'am. Dola lang, ma'am.
Fresh dire, papatalikod.
Gani, ma'am. Ebidensya. Wala na siya na bundak, ma'am. Nikis lang. Ana, nikis lang. Okay. Sayang ko, wala ko na sikat. 42 kilometers si sir, no? Sir, good morning. Kung sa'yo makaistorya sa ruta, sir? Ho na lang. Sir, amping sa nga lugar gikan, sir? Dangkagan, Bukidnon. All over the country and all over the world. Welcome to Pangantukan, mga ma'am and sir. What can you say sa atong ruta? Di nami.
Napakasaya!
Wala ra na fall down?
Among heart na fall.
Na fall, eh. What is running for you in one word? Di nami. Duha to. Di nami. Sir, morning sir.
Wala station.
Na sir, sir. Muna na sir. Dugay kayo. Tignan mo sir. We have na pod another gapano na pod nga runners. So medyo nga trail walk lang sa sila. So good morning ma'am. What can you say about sa atong ruta karon? Ma'am, in one word, what is running for you? Running is relaxation. Pwede ra. Running, relaxation. Sir, welcome to Pangantukan. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Loading man.
Running is loading. Okay, pwede ra. Morning mga mami, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan. What sa inyo may istorya sa ruta?
Running is a hobby.
Hobby. Sir? Challenging, ma'am?
Relaxing.
Relaxing hobby. Pwede kayo. Relatable. Ano po tayo, another runner? Ma'am, gibiyahan dyan kang ma'am Alma, ma'am.
Nabiyangan siya ko niya.
Kumusta ang kuan, ma'am? Pangantukan, ma'am. First time sa Pangantukan, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes. Kumusta ang ruta, ma'am? Dili na kay Danlog, ma'am?
Pertigig ka danlok.
Danlog.
Perti pandagan na.
So, congrats, ma'am. Pangantukan niya po si ma'am, no? So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Kumusta ang ruta, sir? Okay kayo. Challenge. What is running for you, sir, in one word?
Peace.
Peace. Running is peace. Okay, pwede. Thank you, sir. Congrats. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Dahil ito my vlog. Sir, ata lugar gikan, sir?
Ikan sa Pangantukan.
Pangantukan. Ay, Pangantukan na si sir na eh. Sir, morning, sir. Unsa yung makaistorya sa ruta, sir?
Grabe ka nice.
Grabe kayo. Giunay, sir. Giunay kayo. So, Pangantukan na rin si sir, no? So, wala kayo ka-familiar. So, congrats, sir. Congrats. So, nanapod tayo another runner. Si Kuya Alan.
Shout out, taga Pagantukan. Dagan to gamay.
Dagan para ako sir, video sir, dagan sir. Kumusta ang ruta sir? Kumusta ang ruta?
Okay ra.
Okay kayo. Wala na bundak. Sir, musta sir?
Wala mo yan wala mo. Shortcut mo.
Og wala kaya na sir, taga diri ra ka. Kasi sir, dagan niya po si sir bay. Sir, welcome to Pagantukan sir. Ah, nga lugar gikan sir? Zamboanga ang layo ba sir? What can you say about the ruta sir? Okay kayo. Thank you sir, thank you. Congrats. So, ano na po tayo na runners? So, welcome to Pagantukan mga sir. At ang lugar gikan sir? Davao and Maramag City. So, unsa yung makaingon sa ruta sir? Godzra. Biti kayo. In one word sir, what is running for you? One word. Running. Running is adventure. Grabe ba? Running is adventure. Pwede kayo, pwede. Nanapot tayo another runners, no? So, welcome to Pagantukan. What can you say about sa tong ruta karon?
Damn.
Very lapok.
Grabe.
In one word, ma'am and sir, what is running for you?
Lang.
Running is
Life.
life. Running is life. Pwede. Sir, kumusta ang ruta, sir?
Bye. Kaya na.
Kaya ra.
Relax ra kayo.
Basic.
Basic.
What is running for you, sir? In one word.
Dili basic enjoy. Panglawas.
Running is panglawas. Pwede. Running is panglawas. Okay, pwede. We have another runners, Dre. So, welcome, ma'am and sirs. So, kumusta tong ruta karon nga adlaw? Lami kayo. At agi ka nga lugar, mga ma'am and sir? Manolo. Malay. So, in one word, mga ma'am and sir, what is running for you? Running is kapoy. Running is kapoy. Gidubli gid mo mga 2 words na to. Running is life. Pwede. Running is run. Pwede. Sir, morning sir. Pila ka kay dagan sir? 42. What is running for you sir? Challenging.
Yeah.
So, kumusta tong ruta karon sir? Challenging pod.
So far, so good naman.
So far so good.
Challenging pa rin kasi yung sapatos ko hindi naman
Pang trail, dili pang trail sir.
pang ano naman to pang off-road.
Okay. Thank you sir. Congrats sir, congrats. So we have another runner no. So where are you from? Ay, murag taga Pagantukan ni sila ma'am and sir. So what can you say about the place? The route? Challenging. Okay. Wala rin ang usdak. Pwede usdak ka. Nikis na sir, wala na usdak. Ayaw pakita kayo, nakita sa video. Na-ebidensya. So, what is running for you guys in one word? Running is makatagam. Pwede. Imo sir. Running is parehas ra makatagam. Okay, running makatagam. Okay. Congrats ma'am and sir. Mga sana all kay nga kuha no. Dapat yana day mag-uyab day mag-running yun no para mo taas ang relasyon. Okay. So, welcome to Pagantukan, ma'am and sir. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am and sir? Chada. Kumusta ang ruta? Sakto lang. Sigias. So, in one word, ma'am and sir, what is running for you? Running is passion. Pwede. Imo, sir? Running is enjoy lang. Duha na to, sir. Utangan ka sa sir. Isa. So, congrats, ma'am and sir. Thank you. Paldo kay bay, paldo na. Sabi bay paldo. Sharog di mga UTI paguman. So, ano na po tayo another runner? 42 kilometers. Wow. Sir, welcome to Pagantukan, sir. What can you say sa tuwang ruta, sir? Sada kayo. Guwapo kay terrain. Okay, sir. Agi ka na lugar, sir?
Pagantukan na po.
Pagantukan na sir? Congrats, sir. Nagdagan na kita runners. Sir, in one word, what is running for you?
Running is sa mayo.
Usa magyud. Kapoy, running is kapoy. Pwede ra.
Running is
Morning,
kapoy.
ma'am, sir.
Enjoy.
What can you say about the route karon, sir?
Good sky.
Good sky. Agi ka lugar, sir? Valencia. In one word, sir, what is running for you guys?
Happiness.
Running is happiness. Pwede kayo. Ikaw, sir? Running is experience. Pwede kayo. Pwede. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Paldo, mga paldo. Kami na galagang kindi. Kami nga mawata. Nara na ito ako pinakagahin ni runner sa Bacosanon bay. Isa ni siya sa pinaka-talented, most valuable. Kabi ni siya bay. Sir, what is running for you, sir, in one word?
Kiling ni Sople.
Duha naman to. Sir, kumusta itong ruta, sir? Wala rata na usdak, sir?
Okay ra ba?
Okay ra ba ya? At
Okay ra kay dagan.
nagbagong buhay na akong busing, bay.
Dagan tag nakita bitaw nga mga kuan.
Ma'am, in one word, what is running for you?
Kapoy!
Kapoy, running is kapoy. Pwede ra, pwede ra. Imo, duha ka book. Sobra kay ka.
At least imam di isa.
Gani, no?
Too much.
Congrats, ma'am and sir. Grabe, bay. Wala gitat sa ka na bundak, bay. Siyempre.
Nakadunlo.
Wala. MX-33. So, mga brothers from Bacosanon to sila, Bacosanon. So, dapat another runner. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. What can you say sa to ang ruta karon? Chada. Challenging. In one word, what is running for you guys?
Health.
Health. Running is health. Mga sir,
Immortality.
running is immortality. Grabe ka chadag mga words of wisdom, bay. Maka-amaze. So, nanabot tayo another 21k runners. Sir, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Dili na kami lang ni Midjigi Kapoy si sir. No? So, sir, kung interview ta kagamay, sir, kumusta tong ruta karon, sir?
Okay ra.
Okay ra.
Lapo kayo.
Labo kayo. What is running for you, sir, in one word?
Running is life.
Running is life with this. Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
At ang lugar gikan, sir? Malay-balay. Sir, what is running for you in one word?
Running. Training.
Running is training. Grabe ka tal. Running, training. Grabe ay. Rhyme, bars. Sus, dugaya kinaw kailaw na napot another runner of from Pictoranan. Duha na sila ni Sir Sitoy, mga maestro, taga Pictoranan. Sir, morning, sir.
Mayong buntag.
Sir, what can you say sa tong ruta karon, sir?
Di na ko motro pa ko.
Sir, in one word, sir, what is running for you? Running is
Running is kuan. Happy.
happiness, happy. So, pwede ra.
Happiness.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, si Sir Polinda from Pictoranan. Proud Pangantukan runner, no? So, we have another runner po, no? So, sir, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. 42 kilometers, sir. At tagi ka ng lugar, sir? Maramag, Bukino. Sir, kumusta tong ruta karon, sir?
Okay ra kayo.
Okay ra. So, sir, in one word, sir. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
The best.
The running is the best. Wow. So we have another Pangantukan runner, no? Sir, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Kumusta tong ruta, sir?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. So, sir, in one word, sir, what is running for you?
Kapoy.
Kapoy. Running is kapoy. Okay. Morning, ma'am. Welcome to Pangantukan. Ma'am, what can you say sa tong ruta karon?
Slide.
Slide. What in one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Freedom.
Freedom. Running freedom. Okay. Pwede. So, nanabot tayo another runner, no? Si ma'am. So, ma'am, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. What can you say sa tong ruta karon, ma'am? Grabe. Ma'am, in one word, ma'am, what is running for you? Running is Gapoy gid si ma'am.
My outlet.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Ma'am, nice to meet you. Tana pa tayo na runner. Sir, morning. So, sir, what can you say sa tong ruta karon? Kaya raman.
Yes.
In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Ha? Running is peace.
Running is peace. Running peace. Okay, pwede. Sir, what is unsa to may istorya karon? Sa tong ruta? Good. What is running for you in one word?
Adventure.
Running is adventure. Pwede kayo. So, we have another runners, no? So, sila ma'am. So, ma'am, kumusta yung experience karon nga adlaw, ma'am? Grabe ka trail. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you? Running is very. Kay one word naman. Running is very challenging. Okay, running challenging. Okay, congrats mga ma'am. Marag wala na kayo mga ebidensya ka nakabundak, mama. So, sila ma'am, no, grabe mga girl power. So, we have another runner, no, si sir, 21 kilometers. Sir, where are you from, sir? Malay-balay. So, sir, kumusta tong ruta karon, sir? Halang. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Running is love.
Love. Running is love. Sir, morning, sir. Kumusta, sir? Kumusta tong ruta, sir? Okay ra. So, what is running for you, sir, in one word?
Happy.
Happy. Running is happiness. Okay, pwede kayo. So, good morning, ma'am. So, what can you say about sa tong ruta karon, ma'am?
The ruta is so lapok.
Lapok.
Technical.
Technical. Nga lugar gikan, ma'am.
Point.
Nga lugar gikan.
Hindi ko ka-memorize sa dala.
Ay, sa inyong lugar gid, ma'am.
Kami, Cagayan de
Cagayan de Oro, ma'am. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Exciting.
Running exciting pa. Tsada kay bay, running is exciting. Yes, thank you. Duha na to, ma'am. Pwede, ma'am. Pwede. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm 44 years old.
Wow, 44 years old si ma'am. Grabe. Wow. Ano na po tayo another runner? Sa murag familiar. So, the loved ones of Sir B-Boy Apap. So, naguna na kayo ang ano, gibiyahan dyan ka, ma'am. Gibiyahan dyan. So, kumusta tong ruta karon, ma'am? So, ma'am, in one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Running is therapy.
Running is therapy. Grabe ka tsada, ma'am. Congrats, ma'am. Congrats, ma'am. Congrats sa inyo doon ni B-Boy, ma'am. So, naka po tayo mga runners na sila, sir. Sir, kumusta, sir? Ang lugar gikan, sir?
Ha?
Ang lugar gikan.
Don Carlos.
Don Carlos, sir. What is running for you, sir? In one word.
Ambot lang.
Running is ambot lang. Pwede ra. Kaya nagkaliso na, sir. Good morning, sir. Kumusta tong ruta, sir?
Kumbati kayo.
Mabati kayo.
First time.
What is running for you, sir? In one word.
Peace.
Peace. Running is peace. Okay. Peace. So, we have another runner now, si sir. Sir, good morning, sir. So, where you from, sir? Nga lugar? Balay, Bukino. Sir, kumusta tong ruta karon, sir? Medyo unsa ba itong mga nagipangbati? Ulan. Dagyan daw, sir.
Patungo na sila.
Sir, in one word, sir, what is running for you? Running is out. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Congrats, sir. Congrats. Grabe ba? Sana yung mga words of wisdom, sir. Sila taga Pangantukan, bay? Dili kayo. Ilhan kayo. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. So, what can you say about sa tong ruta karon? So, sir, ang lugar na mo, no? Sir, what is running for you in one word? Running is kapoy. Pwede. Congrats mga sir. Sir, good morning, sir. Kung saan yung maka-sulti sa ruta, sir? Nami kayo. What is running for you, sir, in one word? Piti. Running is piti. Sir, morning, sir. Sa itong maka-istorya sa itong ruta karon, sir.
Kaya kayo.
In one word, sir, what is running for you? Running is healthy. Pwede. Running is life. Pwede. Kaya po tayo another runners, no? Sila mamin, sir. Good morning, sir. Running is hangak. Pwede kayo. Relate kayo.
Ting
Hangak. From Kidapawan. Shoutout sa inyo, sir. Layo pag lagi ginikanan. Sakto. Sana po tayo another runner. May buntag, sir. So, what can you say sa itong ruta karon, sir? Halang.
Pero nindot.
Nindot. So, in one word, sir, what is running for you guys?
Running is passion.
Running is passion. Okay. Running is killing. Sir, morning, sir.
Morning.
Congrats, sir. Congrats. Wala na nga bundak, sir? Wala ra. So, nalapot tayo mga runners, no? So, nagkano na itong mga runners. Sir, morning, sir. Musta itong ruta karon, sir?
Okay kayo.
Okay kayo, sir?
Yung batungas.
Okay, baton. Good morning, ma'am. So, what is our experience today, ma'am? Very hard yun. Oh, grabe yun, dum. Di gid mga bundak yun ka. Kay grabe kalapot. So, nanapot tayo another runner. So, sir, good morning, sir. So, what can you say sa tong ruta karon, sir? Katuragyan. Sir, in one word, sir, what is running for you? Peace. Sima, sir, what is running for you, sir?
Running. Kapoy.
Running is kapoy. Rabi, relate kayo, sir. Relate kayo, sir. So, atagikan na lugar, sir? Atagikan na lugar? Iligan. Grabe, layo pa na, sir, no? Yan, hiragin sila para makita ko. So, we have another runners, no? Good morning, mga sir and ma'am. So, what can you say sa tong ruta karon? Ha? Makagawa. In one word, sir, what is running for you? Running is life. Say mo ha, ma'am. Running is life. Life na lang kita tanan. So, kumusta itong ruta karon, ma'am? Okay na kayo. Wala na talaga bundak, ma'am?
Bundak gamay.
Gamay. Part na kita siya, ma'am, no? Come on, what is running for you, ma'am, in one word?
Running is life.
Running is life. Grabe, life na gid mo tanan, ma'am. Inyong kinabuhi is running na gid. Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, where you from, sir? Atang lugar gikan? Valencia. Sir, kumusta itong ruta karon, sir?
Okay kayo.
Sir, in one word, sir, what is running for you? Enjoyable. Running, enjoyable. Grabe ka. Relatable. So, nanapot tayo another runners, no? Si ma'am and si sir. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am sir. Hatag gikan nga lugar, ma'am sir. Malay, balay. So, kumusta tong ruta karon? Okay kayo?
Kayo, lapok.
Lapok. In one word, ma'am and sir, what is running for you?
Ha, enjoy.
Running is enjoy. Okay. Relate to you guys, guys. So, nanapot tayo another runners, si sir. 21 kilometers, 21 kilometers. Sir, good morning, sir. Kumusta tong ruta, sir?
Piti
Piti kayo, piti. Sir, kumusta tong ruta, sir? Okay kayo. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Amazing.
Running is amazing. Wow. So, nanapot tayo na si Sir Gino, run yun ni Sir, giran, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. What can you say sa tong place, sir? Nice kayo. Ang ruta, sir?
Okay kayo.
Okay kayo. Hindi sa kita. Ma'am, what can you say sa tong ruta, ma'am? Amazing. Speechless. Ma'am, in one word, ma'am, what is running for you? Isa, ma'am?
Happiness.
Happiness. Running is happiness. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats, ma'am. So, na po tayo mga runners, no? So, we have another runners. Dagan kayo sila. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Kumusta to experience, guys? Okay kayo. Wait, Toby. In one word, mga ma'am and sir, what is running for you?
Amazing.
Amazing. Running. Deserve. Worth it.
Mospo.
Most. Thank you, sir. Atagi kayo ng lugar, ma'am and sir.
Maramag.
Maramag. Medyo dol-dol ra. Sir, morning, sir. Kumusta tong ruta, sir?
Sakit.
Sakit. Morning, sir. Morning. Kumusta, sir? Piti kayo, sir.
Yes, sir.
In one word, sir, what is running for you? Amazing. Mo, sir? Okay lang. Thank you, sir. Congrats. So, we have Pangantukan runner, no? 42. Hala, nidagan yun siya, bay. Sir, what can you say sa tong ruta karon, sir? Okay kayo.
Piti yung piti ah.
Proud Pangantukan, no? Sheesh! Muragwana na bundak, sir? Naibinid siya. Sana na ba tayo another runner? Si ma'am, no? Ma'am, kumusta tong ruta karon, ma'am? Okay lang, sir. Ata nga lugar gikan, ma'am? Ata nga lugar gikan? Malaybalay. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Running is freedom.
Running is freedom. Okay, pwede. Ay mga ma'am, musta tong ruta karon, ma'am? Piti nga pita. Pwede kay bay, grabe ka mga kwan. Ma'am, in one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Funny.
Fun, okay.
Kaya nakadagdag.
Wala ra mo, ma'am. Pogong ra kayo. Pogong kayo si ma'am. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. So, kumusta tong experience karon, sir? Brutally, okay. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
One word.
Gift. Well, running is a gift. Wow. Sir, kumusta tong ruta karon, sir?
The best.
What is running for you, sir? In one word.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Yes, sir. Kumusta tong experience, sir?
Tiring.
Tiring. Congrats, sir. Tiring. Gift. Tsaka tong gift by running is gift. So, nanapot tayo another runner, no? Si sir. 21 kilometers. So, kumusta tong experience karon, sir? Grabe ka, piti. Atagi ka ng lugar, sir?
Grabe, me.
Kibawi. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Running is life.
Running is life. Gagana na kay life pa. Inyo nang yung kinabuhi ang running ba? Ikaw, ma'am, kumusta to ang experience, ma'am? Okay ra. What is running for you, ma'am? Therapy. Wow. Therapy. Grabe ba yun? Life, therapy. Murag kwa na sila. 50-50s lang kinabuhi is running na. Sir, good morning, sir. So, what can you say sa to ang ruta karon, sir? Good. Good. So, in one word, sir, what is running for you?
Running is good for your health.
Good for your health. Okay.
Sa bulsa.
Mag-abuslo sa bulsa. Running is expensive. So, we have another. Sir, kumusta to ang kuan karon, sir? Tong ruta.
Okay kayo,
Okay kayo. Runnable.
Lami.
Lami. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Running is kind of gasto kayo.
Gasto.
Pag kamo gusto mo mag-running.
Running expensive yun.
Oh, expensive yung gayo ba?
Yes.
Nya. Ay palagi litog ko.
May toga.
Pagkatog ko.
Tanga lugar gikan, sir.
Kika na maramag.
Maramag ra medyo dolo.
Okay kayo.
Okay.
Lami kay rota.
Congrats,
The
sir.
best.
Congrats. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Kumusta tong ruta karon mga sir? Grabe kahalang. Makapatay. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Running is discipline.
Running is discipline. Grabe ka, chada boy. Way of life. Duha na to pero tsada gyapon. Tulo gid ay way of life. Way of life. Tulo ra. Di na one word. Sa tong ruta karon mga sir. Okay na lang. Atagi kayo lugar mga sir. Manolo. In one word sir, what is running for you guys?
Sakit na.
Running is sakit. Painful. Okay. Sakit nga lami. Okay. Thank you sir. Congrats sir. So, good morning sir. So, what can you say sa atong ruta karon sir? Lami kayo. At ang lugar gikan sir?
Tanagrang.
Ay, kasi imong place yun gikan sir.
Cagayan.
Cagayan. In one word sir, what is running for you? Nindot. Okay sir, thank you. Sana po tayo another runner. So, welcome to Pangantukan sir. What can you say sa tong ruta karon sir? Lami kayo. In one word sir, what is running for you?
Running is life.
Running is grabe na ma'am. Welcome to Pangantukan ma'am. What can you say sa tong ruta karon ma'am? Sakit. Sir, good morning sir. Kumusta to ang experience karon sir? Okay ra. What is running for you sir? Kapoy na si sir. Ma'am, kumusta ma'am? More relax okay ka ma'am, tanawon ma'am. In one word ma'am, what is running for you?
Kuan. Maghihil sa nisyo.
Running is healing, okay. Good morning mga ma'am. Kumusta to experience karon ma'am?
Tayo.
What is running for you in one word?
Fun.
Fun. Ikaw ma'am, ikaw sir.
Health.
Running is health. Tsada kay bay. Running is health. So nanapot tayo another runners. Sila ma'am and sir. Sabi si ma'am, still running.
Still fighting.
Ay, si sir po dayo. Sir, what is running for you in one word?
Running
Running is fun.
Running is fun. Persistent, grabe ba? Persistence, grabe ang running daw. Running is persistent.
Pipin mo dito.
So ma'am,
One.
good morning.
Good morning.
What is ato ang experience karon ma'am?
The best.
The best.
Marami.
Wala na bundak ma'am.
Wala ra.
Wala. Hey, what is ato ang experience karon ma'am? Lami kayo. Kadua ka na bundak ma'am. So okay ra ma'am, ka ma'am. Okay ra. O siya pa ma'am. So ma'am, what is running for you in one word? Happy. Wow, running is happiness. Okay. Sir, good morning. Sir, what can you say sa atong ruta karon sir? Sakit kayo. Ata lugar gikan sir?
sa dito sa Babaw.
Ay ka imong place yun sir.
Mga balay
Balay sir. In one word sir, what is running for you?
Running for me. Motivation for
Running is motivation. Wow, gabi ka sada. Running is motivation. Antay. So na po tayo another runners no? Si ma'am and si sir. So good morning ma'am and sir. Unsa to makasulti sa ato ang ruta karon? Muusa. In one word ma'am and sir, what is running for you? Running is piti. Running is yes. Gikapoy na si ma'am. So good morning sir. So kumusta to ang experience karon sir? Okay. Yayay kayo. In one word sir, what is running for you?
Papawala.
Running is stress reliever. Yeah. Pangwala ng stress. So na ba tayo na no si sir? Medyo kapoy gini sir kay 42 gini ha. Sir, what is our experience for today sir? Nangabundak pa ta sir.
Nabundak.
Bundak yun. Ay, nag-exhibit siya. Sir, what is running for you, sir, in one word?
Running fun.
Running is fun. Okay. So, nanabot tayo another lady runner. Ma'am, what can you say sa tong ruta karon, ma'am?
Nice sir.
Nice. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you? Oh. Kapoy. Running is kapoy. Okay, relatable ra. So, we have another trail runners. Yapon ma'am kay grabe dili lalim yung ginapabuhat bisag ako makahilap. Ma'am, kumusta to experience karon mga ma'am? Enjoy. So hatang lugar gikan? Surigao. In one word mga ma'am, what is running for you?
Banding.
Running is banding. Ikaw po ma'am? Running is challenging. Pwede. Thank you ma'am. Congrats. So, good morning sir. Welcome to Pangantukan. Hatang lugar gikan sir? Balay. So, kumusta to experience sir? Kapoy kayo. Wala rata nga usdak sir? Wala rata nga bundak? Sir, in one word, what is running for you?
Kwan.
Comfort.
Running is comfort. Okay, okay. Pwede kayo. Running is comfort. So na pa tayo mga another runners, no? So daghan bagid kayo ang mga runners na to nga gapabawa pa sa bar camp. So sir, good morning sir. So kumusta to experience sir? Goods. In one word sir, what is running for you?
Life.
Running is life. Daghan lagi kayo mag-kwan sir ba? Running is life na. So si ma'am mo relax sa ruta. So ma'am, kumusta? Uy, naday binid siya ma'am. What is running for you in one word?
Running for me is
Love. Learning is love. Bagay tsada ma'am. Congrats ma'am. Congrats ma'am. Ma'am, what is running for you in one word?
Running is healing.
Running is... Sir, good morning. What is running for you? Fun. Running is fun. Okay. Thank you sir. Congrats.
fun.
So, good morning sir. So, kumusta to experience sir? Good sir. In one word sir, what is running for you?
Running is stress reliever.
Running is stress reliever. Pwede. Pwede na sir. Ako na tayo combine. So, ano ba tayo na sir? Kumusta to experience karon sir?
Di na ko muusap.
Di na ko masab. In one word sir, what is running for you? Health. Running is health. So, ano na ba tayo na sir? Kumusta to experience karon sir? Okay lang. So, what is running for you sir? In one word.
Food kung giguan ba tuho.
Running is kwan for health, user health. Te, morning te. Kumusta te? Kumusta ang ruta te? Lisod te? Sir, morning sir. Kumusta ang ruta sir?
Sakit.
Sakit. In one word sir, what is running for you?
Kapoy.
Kapoy. So, we have another runners, no? Sila sir. So, sir, kumusta to experience karon sir? Sakit.
Pero kuan lingaw.
Lingaw. So, in one word sir, what is running for you?
Enjoyment.
Running is enjoyment. Okay.
Healing.
Running is healing. Okay. Thank you sir, thank you. Sir, kumusta to experience karon sir?
Sayo ko nang wasleep. Kaya to nga kasulti. Ako nagdaman to.
Sir, what is running for you in one word?
Running is freedom.
Running is freedom. Okay. Tawag ko lagi sa sayo ko guys. Sada sayo?
Uy, angay. Uy, angay.
Uy, agay. So, napunta another runner. Sir, good morning sir. So, kumusta to ang experience karon sir? Pite kayo. Sir, in one word, what is running for you?
Ha?
In one word.
Running is fun.
Running is fun. Fun. Sir, good morning, sir. So, sir, what can you say sa tuwang ruta karon, sir? Good kayo. Sir, in one word, what is running for you?
Health.
Running is health. Okay, coming from sir, no? Running is health. So, sir, kumusta to experience karon, sir? Lami kayo. Sir, atagi ka ng lugar, sir? Balay. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Life changing.
Running is life changing. Okay. Thank you sir. Dola lang sir. Congrats. Naman na ikuan sir station. Nada sir, unahan lang. Kita ka naman. Uy, hawa ko ba? Oh, we have another runner sir. Good morning sir. What is our experience today sir? Sabi kapiti. Ang lupit. Thank you sir. Congrats sir. So, we have another runner no, si ma'am no? Girl power in 42 kilometers. Ma'am, kumusta to experience karon ma'am? Okay.
Wala din nag-expect sa
In one word ma'am, what is running for you?
running. Lifeline.
Running is lifeline. Okay. Relate. So, we have another runner no, sila sir. So, welcome to Bantawan sir. Kumusta to experience karon?
Fun.
Ala, gika pa sir.
Sa.
Sada. Experience sir, kumusta sir?
Di na ko musab.
Di na ko okay. Sir, kumusta to experience sir? The best.
Wala na lang ulan.
Good sir. In one word sir, what is running for you?
Running is
Running is
stress relieving.
stress relieving. Okay. Thank you sir. Congrats. So, we have another runner no, si sir. Sir, kumusta to experience karon sir?
Pahingon lagay kay. Kaya nang mabuto ra kay ito rin makadugayan.
So, in one word sir, what is running for you?
Peace of mind.
Running is peace of mind. Sir, good morning sir. Kumusta to experience sir?
Pit na magmahay sa to.
Pwede mo ba?
Kung nga man din ang pagmahay.
Sir, congrats.
Salamat.
Sir, so kumusta to experience, sir? I-smile na lang, sir.
Smile na lang.
Sir, what is running for you, sir?
Running is my life.
Running is life. Okay, ana nagid karon bay. Oh, we have another runner, no? Good morning, sir. So, usa to experience karon, sir. Kumusta?
Grabe kang ilan.
Grabe.
Piti kay ruta,
Piti kayo.
bro. Gwapo.
Congrats, sir. Congrats. Ma'am, kumusta to experience, ma'am?
Balik mo pagkabata.
Ma'am, atagi ka no lugar, ma'am?
Lantapan.
Lantapat. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Running is enjoyment. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Congrats. So, kumusta tong experience, ma'am?
Okay ka.
Okay, kayo. So, ma'am, atagi ka no lugar, ma'am?
Davao.
Davao City. Ma'am, in one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Love.
Running is love. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am and sir. So, kumusta tong experience karon nga adlaw? Wala ra ba nga bundak, nga kilo, wala ra ba? Wala ra ba?
Lami nga sakit.
Dami nga sakit. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Sakit.
Running is sakit. Ikaw, sir, in one word, what is running for you?
Kumbati lang.
Running is kumbati lang.
Enjoy.
Running is enjoyment. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats, ma'am. Habis lang, ma'am, bay. So, good to sir, good to sir. So, kumusta the experience, sir?
The best.
The best.
The best
The best.
pakantukan.
So, what can you say sa atong kwan, sir? Lugar?
Piti kayo.
Piti kayo.
Piti kayo.
Kumusta, sir?
Kayo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Congrats, congrats. Tapos sila, ma'am. 3 lady runners. Nagsunod dyan sila. Duda ko, nagmaritis na sila sa babaw ba? Maritis, so. Ma'am, kumusta the experience karon, ma'am?
Okay kayo.
Okay kayo. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Kuan kanang ganay.
Running is for strength.
Yes.
Running is strength. Ikaw, ma'am, kumusta, ma'am? What is running for you, ma'am?
Kapoy.
Kapoy. Running is kapoy. Okay. Ikaw, ma'am, kumusta, ma'am? Okay lang. Ang kwan, ma'am, running. What is running for you?
Register na po dito.
Register also. Sunod na po, ma'am. Katong nanay, ma'am, Mount Kalatungan, ma'am ba? Dala sila, ma'am and sir. So, kumusta the experience, ma'am? Murag wala ra kay gikapoy, ma'am. Murag relax ra kayo.
Amazing.
Amazing. What is running for you, ma'am?
Endurance.
Endurance. Sir, kumusta, sir?
Dili na ko balik pa ko.
Balik ko. Ma'am, kumusta, ma'am? Murag relax ra kay ka, ma'am.
Kaya ra.
Kaya ra. So, okay, ma'am. Congrats, ma'am. Relax ra kay si sir, oh. Sir, kumusta, sir?
Bulagan sa iyap.
Bulagan.
Sobra pas bulag sa iyap.
Kumusta, sir?
Maragi bulagan sa iyap.
Marami bulagan so, yeah. So, sir, what is running for you in one word? Running is good health. Okay, okay. Running is health. Guys, more na guys. Kumusta ang ruta, guys? Okay ra? Dili ra lanlog? So, we have another lady runners, no? Si ma'am and si ma'am. So, ma'am, kumusta to experience karon nga adlaw, ma'am? Okay ra?
Slide
Okay ra, ma'am. Enjoy ra. Ma'am, in one word, ma'am, what is running for you? Running is
Fun.
Running is fun. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. At ang lugar gikan, ma'am?
Valencia.
Valencia City, Bukidnon. Okay. Sir, kumusta, sir? Okay ra, sir? Okay ra. So, good morning, mga sir. So, kumusta to experience karon, sir? The best. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Kapoy.
Running is kapoy. Ikaw, sir, kumusta, sir?
Tired. Kapoy.
Kapoy. Thank you, sir. Congrats, sir. Congrats. Wala na nga dus mo, sir? Wala ra. Yandak lang. Tagay lang may experience, guys. So, we have another runner, no, si sir. So, sir, good morning, sir. So, kumusta to experience karon, sir? Okay kayo. Why? So, in one word, sir, what is running for you?
Life.
Running is life. Running is life. Okay, sir. Thank you. So, we have another runner. So, they are using also a Instructor 60. So, good morning, mga ma'am and sir. So, kumusta to yung experience karon?
Grabe ka breathtaking.
Grabe ka breathtaking. At ang lugar gikan, ma'am and sir?
Kibawi.
Kibawi. So,
Kibawi.
in one word, what is running for you?
Health.
Running is health. Okay. Go, sir.
Parehara.
Para sir, running is health. Health is, no? Thank you, ma'am, sir. Thank you. Congrats.
So cancel, square meter, cancel yung dalawa dito. So magiging meter na lang yung cubic meter.
So we have another runner, no? Si Ma'am Babes, our former teacher. Ma'am, kumusta to experience, ma'am? Wala. Kapoy.
Dapat na to ko.
No, lahi nagay ko.
Manoy.
Kumusta ma'am? Kumusta? Kira. In one word ma'am, what is running for you? Come ma'am. Hi ma'am.
Satisfying.
Running is satisfying. Okay. Congrats mga ma'am. So, we have another runner. Sir, good morning sir. Kumusta to experience sir?
Kita na ko gisano.
Sir, what is running for you in one word?
Running is wala lang.
Speechless. Running is speechless.
Yes.
Yes. Kumusta sir? Hardcore. Running is hardcore sir. Morning sir. I love it. Kumusta sir? Okay na sir? Wala na nga busdak sir?
Wala man.
Wala ra. So, we have another runner no, si ma'am. So, kumusta to experience karon ma'am? Murag wala ra kay ka nakapoy ma'am. Gutom. Doon lang kay ma'am. Nanang station ma'am oh. Ma'am, in one word, what is running for you?
Life.
Running is life. Okay. Thank you ma'am. So, we have another runner, si sir. Sir, good morning sir. Kumusta ang itong dagan karon sir? Okay ra. Wala na nakabulsak sir? Wala ra. Power kaya. Wala ebidensya. So, napunta na sir. Good morning sir. Kumusta to experience sir?
Japon.
Okay ra. Wala nakabusdak sir?
Wala ra.
Wala. Nikis ra sir. Morning sir. Kumusta to experience sir?
Easy bagdoy.
Easy. Relax na kayo. So, napad sila ma'am. Ma'am, kumusta tong experience ma'am? Murag relax na kayo ta ma'am? Relax na kayo.
Relax life man.
Okay ma'am. Congrats ma'am. Congrats.
Thank you.
Ma'am, kumusta to experience ma'am? Okay ra. Wala ra. In one word ma'am, what is running for you? Happiness. Inyo sir?
Silence.
Running is silence. Pwede ra maghilom sa bahalaga sakit. Hilom lang sir, no? Thank you sir. Thank you. So, we have another runner, no? Si sir. Sir, good morning sir. So, kumusta to experience karon sir? Grabe. In one word sir, what is running for you? What is running for you in one word?
In one word,
Oh. Running is
exercise.
exercise. Yeah, health yun sir. No? Thank you sir. Congrats sir. Running is exercise. Kapi gagawin siya da. Ma'am, kumusta to experience karon ma'am? Murag relax ra kay katanawon sa imong face ma'am.
Relax sila karon.
Wala ra ta nga bundak ma'am? Nabundak kid ma'am.
Hapit mahulog sa
Papit na mahulog. Grabe experience ma'am. Nasamad ma'am. So what is running for you ma'am? In one word. Running is happiness. Okay ma'am. Dapat happy ka ma'am. Happy ma'am. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So narapod tayo another runners. Good morning mga ma'am and sir. So kumusta tong experience? Murag happy ra kay ta?
Yes.
Happy ra kayo? Relax na kayo. Wala ra ta nga busdak ma'am. Wala ra. In one word mga ma'am and sir, what is running for you?
Running is freeing.
Freeing?
Running is all about having fun.
Running is fun. Okay. One word ra. Sentence na to ma'am. Ma'am, kumusta experience ma'am? Okay lang. In one word ma'am, what is running for you?
Therapy.
Running is therapy. Okay. Kumusta tong experience ma'am and sir? Waslit na sir. So in one word ma'am, what is running for you? Challenging. Ikaw sir, what is running for you sir?
Saya.
Challenging. Okay. Good morning ma'am and sir. Kumusta to experience? Dili good. Morning na lang. Morning ma'am. Kumusta to experience?
Kailang, lingaw.
In one word ma'am and sir, what is running for you?
No.
Love?
Di na kumotra.
Running is not returning.
Yes.
Thank you ma'am and sir. Running away. Have another runners no? Sila sir. Sir, good morning sir. Kumusta to experience sir? Good sir. Wala na nga busdak sir? In one word sir, what is running for you? Running is
Life.
Running is life. Grabe ka power bay. Congrats sir. Congrats. Sukasa na ni sir oh. Igang ba siya nga panahon? Luya na. Good morning sir. So, kumusta to experience sir? Kapoy. Nara sir. Doon sir. Masabay na lang guro ko sa mga sir. Kay ulan na po. So, kumusta sir? Kumusta pa po sir? Wala na mundak sir? Slide jud. Okay ra sir, wala na kan. Para naon sa. Ata nga lugar gikan sir. Ata nga lugar gikan. Dito ata ka pangato ra ka sir?
Pero sa Valencia gikan.
Valencia. Okay. Pero dire jud ka originated sir. Okay. Pila ka case at 21? 21. Sir, good morning sir. Kumusta to experience sir?
Lingaw pero kapoy.
Lingaw pero kapoy. Okay. In one word sir, what is running for you sir? Running is amazing. Endurance. Okay sir. Good morning ma'am. Kumusta experience ma'am? Oh, kapoy. Okay ra. Enjoy. Thank you ma'am sir. Nabago sa station. Sir, dito sa babaw sir, danlog eh sir. Sakto gyud. Di focus lagi guys. Experience na guys oh. Hi mga ma'am, good morning. Kumusta experience ma'am? Okay ra? Gani. Murag relax ra kay mo tanawon ma'am, murag walay lisod. Blooming gyapon kay mo. Hi ma'am, good morning. Kumusta experience ma'am? Okay lang. First time. Okay ma'am, gani ma'am. Kumusta itong experience ma'am? Tangas kayo. In one word ma'am, what is running for you? Running is addiction, okay. Good addiction ma'am, good addiction. Yeah. Thank you ma'am. At ang lugar gikan ma'am?
Ano sa din eh?
Video.
Vlog din
Yes. At ang lugar gikan ma'am? Malay-balay. Thank you ma'am. Di mo mahapit ma'am? Okay ma'am, thank you. Amping ma'am, amping. Bida. Sana ba tayo 2 runners from Pangantoka no? Kumusta experience? Sweeper. Di ba yung mga power kayo bay?
Sweeper amigo. Gubakler ba?
Sabi na, huwag na-appeal mo. Kaya huwag na-appeal pag ganyan. Tama no? Ngit-ngit pa, maabot na.
Gahapon da.
Sir, kumusta sir? Kumusta experience?
Busog si Biabas.
In one word sir, what is running for you? Ano mga kalawan? Usa sir? Running is fun. Okay. Thank you sir, thank you. Ha? Unsa? Running is everyday naman mo. So we have another runner no, si ma'am. So murag wala ra gid gikapoy si ma'am. Blooming ra gyapon kayo. Murag walk up like this. Ma'am, kumusta to experience ma'am?
Sa ilang plano ani kay ko sa mga running.
Ma'am, in one word ma'am, what is running for you?
One word running.
Yeah.
Endurance.
Running is endurance. Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am. At ang lugar gikan ma'am? Valencia City. City of the Golden Friendship. Golden Harvest Day. Cagayan na ito day. Sorry. Congrats ma'am. Doon lang kayo ma'am. Na-aid ya ma'am ay. Station. Thank you ma'am. Good morning sir. So, kumusta to experience karon sir? Okay ra. Good. Naman doon na sir. So, in one word sir, what is running for you?
Training.
Running is training. Okay. So, we have another runner, 42 km. Sir, good morning sir. So, kumusta to experience sir? Wala na tanang bundak? Gabi ka sulit. Thank you sir. Amping sir. Congrats. Sir, good morning sir. So, kumusta to experience sir? Okay kayo. At ang lugar gikan sir? Cagayan. In one word sir, what is running for you? Well, speechless. Running is speechless. Okay. Thank you sir. Sir, good morning sir. Kumusta to experience sir? Kumusta atong experience? Kumbate kayo. At gikan ng lugar sir? Cagayan. In one word sir, what is running for you? Running is for health. Running is health. Okay. Thank you sir. So na si ma'am. Good morning ma'am. Murag wala ra kag gikapoy tanawon ma'am. Blooming gyapon kay ka ma'am. Murag kag nag-road run lang ma'am. Ito ma'am, kumusta to experience ma'am? Piti kayo. At ang lugar gikan ma'am? Cagayan di aro siya. In one word ma'am, what is running for you?
Running is good.
Running is good. Thank you ma'am. Thank you. Ping ma'am, amping. Kumusta to experience ma'am and sir? Grabe ka. In one word, what is running for you guys?
Adventure.
Running is adventure. Same lagi po ma'am. Running is adventure. Extreme. Thank you ma'am. Thank you. Sir, good morning sir. So, kumusta to experience sir? Okay. Sir, in one word, sir, what is running for you? Huh? Running is fitness. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Congrats, sir. Congrats. So, we have another runners. Sila, sir. Ala, 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 ala. Ala, ala, ala. Kumusta to experience, sir? Kumusta to experience? Okay, okay. Okay. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Sakit!
Sakit, sakit, sakit. Congrats, sir. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Tagikan, sir.
Lantapan.
Lantapan. Okay. Alah, dara. Okay. Nag-individual greeting tani, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
What can you say sa to ang ruta?
Very hard, sir.
Very hard, very hard,
Minsan
very-
juga ayo.
very hard.
Pero running is happiness.
Running is happiness. Okay, okay. Alah, individual greeting lagi nila. Sir, what is running for you, sir?
Running, tulungan yung mga kasama ko.
Running is helping.
Helping.
Yeah, 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 yeah. At ang lugar gikan, sir? From
Manolo.
Manolo Fortis. Thank you. Sir, good morning, sir. Kumusta to experience?
Hello, good morning.
Kumusta to experience, sir?
Good.
Good. The best. What is running for you, sir?
Therapy.
Running is therapy. Okay, running therapy. Okay, we have another tank. Sir, kumusta to experience sa Makantukan, sir?
Ay, nice kayo.
Nice kayo.
Lugar.
Okay. First
Nice
time
kayo.
din, sir.
Oh, tugno kayo.
Tugno kayo.
Ano kayang lapok ba?
Kumusta to experience, sir? Wala rin nakabundak, sir?
Wala ra.
Wala ra. Limpyo, wala ebidensya. Sir, what is
Nice on
running for you? In one word.
Running, apil ko running para di ko masugo sa.
Likay sa asawa.
Oh,
Running
likay
is likay sa asawa.
Likay sa asawa.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Doon lang, sir.
Ano rin?
Ha?
Ayun naman lang kami lang ko.
Dire kung gusto para trail run yun. Kumusta to experience karon nga adlaw, sir?
Hindi kayo.
Piti kayo. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
One.
Speechless. Running is speechless. Piti daw. Sir, wala na hangin. Running is no oxygen. Good morning, sir. So, kumusta to experience, sir? Grabe. Amazing. So, in one word, sir, what is running for you?
Fun.
Running is fun. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Sir, good morning, sir. Kumusta experience sa babaw, sir?
Happy.
Grabe. Dili danlog. So, welcome to Pangansukan, ma'am. What can you say sa tong ruta karon? Huh? Amazing. At ang lugar gikan, ma'am?
Marama.
Maramag. Ma'am, in one word, what is running for you? Running is healing. Wow. Thank you, ma'am. Dola lang, ma'am. Kumusta to experience, ma'am? Tiring, yeah. Ang lugar gikan, ma'am?
North Cotabato.
North Cotabato. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Ano siya? Murag mental.
Mental health siya, ma'am. Running is health.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Good. So, we have another runner from Pangantukan niya po ni. Sir, good morning, sir. Kumusta to experience, sir?
Hindi na kumuusap.
Di na kumusab.
Kausan na lang.
Kausa na lang. What is running for you, sir?
Running is sweating a lot.
Running is sweating a lot. Pwede, sington juga kag running yan. Another runner. Sir, good morning, sir. Kumusta to experience, sir? Sir, in one word, sir, what is running for you?
Happiness.
Running is happiness. Okay. So, good morning, ma'am. So, kumusta to experience, ma'am? Sucks lang. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Stress reliever.
Running is stress reliever. Okay. Given. Sir, good morning, sir. Kumusta to experience, sir? Okay kayo. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Alternative.
Running is alternative. Morning, sir. Kumusta experience, sir? Good. Thank you, sir. Sir, kumusta experience, sir? Okay ra. What is running for you, sir? In one word.
Difficult.
Running is difficult. Pwede kayo trail run man. Pwede. Kumusta to experience, sir? Karon nga kabuntagon ug adlaw.
Sabi sa kita
Grabe
trail.
ka. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Kapoy.
Kapoy. Running is kapoy. Thank you, sir. Sir, good morning, sir. Kumusta to experience sa karon nga adlaw, sir? Kapoy. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Ha?
Running is
Happiness.
Running is happiness. Okay, okay. Running is happiness. So we have a lot of runners na po. Mga 42 na ni. Oy, oy, oy. Ebidensya. Parang sliding na ni dito ba? Sliding. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No choice. So, kumusta the experience mga mamin, sir? Goods kayo? Lagi pa kamay. In one word, what is running for you guys? Running is great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great. Wala kayo mga ebidensya. Marag wala ra kayo sila dito nahago. Marag abog pa abog.
Relax.
What is running for you, ma'am?
Relax.
Relax ra. Running is beautiful. Musta experience, sir?
Ay, the best tayo.
The best kayo.
Mo na yung gisignapan.
Yeah, yeah. Running is usas lang para unsa ang dagan, ma'am.
Longko, Pantinal,
La, parinti.
Na.
La, grabe mga parinti, oy.
Running is anti-stress.
Running is anti-stress.
Oo.
Nana ko'y parinti, guys. Magburag running na sa kuan kay na nagsugod na mo parinti. Let's go. So, we have another runner no, si Sir, 42 kilometer. So, kumusta to experience, sir? Enjoy. At ang lugar gikan, sir?
Ha?
Ang lugar gikan.
Sugod.
Ay, imong place yun, sir?
Malay.
Malay. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Healthy.
Running is health. Yes. So, good morning, ma'am. Kumusta to experience, ma'am?
Morning, sir. It is very difficult.
Yeah. Ma'am, in one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Running is life.
Running is life. Okay, thank you. At ang lugar gikan, ma'am?
Tagalog.
Ay, saan pong lugar po kayo nanggaling?
Cavite.
Cavite, ang layo, ma'am. Pumunta lang kayo, ha?
For this.
Yeah. From Cavite. Wow. Muntik na maubos yung Tagalog ko dun. Buti na lang. Nag-inusapay kami. Nag-inusapay kami dun. Yung Tagalog, kinausap ko. Nag-usap din siya. Nag-inusapay kami. Humbling. Wala na nakabundak, sir? Wala. Master, in one word, sir, what is running for you?
Running is life.
Running is life. Okay. Thank you. Sir, good morning, sir. Kumusta to experience, sir?
First ultra marathon, not
Yeah.
trail.
Wow. So, what is running for you, sir?
Running is a means of forgetting your problems.
Running is forgetting problems.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Running is forgetting problem. Ang mga problema malimtan tungod sa pagdagan-dagan. So, we have another runner, no, si sir. Sir, good morning, sir. So, kumusta to experience, sir? Woo! At ang lugar gikan, sir? Ang lugar mong place, sir?
Dapawan.
Kidapawan. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Subida.
Running is subida. Okay, trail run. Pwede. Running is subida. Okay. Kumusta to experience karon nga buntag, sir? Okay ra.
Kayong ruta.
Piti kayong ruta. In one word, sir, what is running for you?
Running, lifestyle.
Running is lifestyle. Okay, sir. Thank you. Running is lifestyle. Ug wala kay style, wala kay life. So, we have another runner, no, sir? Sir, good morning, sir. So, what is our experience for today, sir? Kumusta? Lisod. Runnable.
Pero
Ulan man. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. For you, sir, what is running for you?
running is finishing.
Running is finishing. Okay. Sir, kumusta to experience, sir? Yes, sir. What is running for you, sir?
Running is a hobby.
Hobby. Running is a hobby. Okay. Pwede. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Murag wala ra ka nagkikapoy, ma'am. Di na ko ma-feel ang tiredness. So, ma'am, kumusta to experience?
Kapoy, sir.
Okay. And in one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Running is experience.
Running is experience. Wow. Pag wala kay experience, dili ka running. The runner, sir. Kumusta to experience karon, sir? Grabe.
Abi na kung anong bartam niya, kaya. Grabe ka danlog.
Slide, sir, slide. Padidit. Sir. So, sir, in one word, what is running para sa inyo? Ala.
Kuyaw.
Running is kuyaw. Yeah. Kuyaw.
Kuyaw kaya ko ba di?
Amo, ang lugar gikan, sir?
From Kalilangan.
From Kalilangan. Adol ra. Okay, sir.
Ito pa may trabaho pero hindi mitang dia.
Congrats, sir. Congrats.
Thank you.
Congrats, sir. Okay. Morning, ma'am. Musta, ma'am? Kira? Ano sila mambay. Morning sir.
Morning.
Kumusta sir? Okay ra? Okay ra. Boss Harvey, okay ra? Bundak ka, bundak. Kumusta experience sir?
Ay mo kitag tao nga. Na-stuck dito. Kuan loy kay lagi. Gikan sa taas, padong sobo.
Slide yun, padidit yun. Padidit yun, pwede tindugan sir.
Tindog siya. Sa okay.
Oh, kumusta to experience mo sir?
Ay.
Okay kayo?
Una yung dili na ko mo usap kaysa na lang.
Ah. So what is running para sa inyo sir? In one word. Running is
Life.
running is life. Daghan na gid mo sir, but running is life gid. Murag 50-50 sa inyong kinabuhi. Dagan na. So we have another runner no? Sir, good morning. Kumusta to experience sir? Kumusta sa babaw? Digas. Padidit yun sir, padidit yun. Padidit yun. So atang lugar gikan sir?
Balay-balay ko.
Balay-balay. Same balay. And in one word sir, what is running para sa inyo?
Good naman.
Running is
Running is hard,
but
I love it.
I love it. Yeah.
Bye sir.
So kumusta tong experience karon nga adlaw ma'am? Kumusta tong experience karon nga adlaw?
Hago pero
Yeah. Atang lugar gikan ma'am?
Davao Occidental.
Davao Occidental. So ma'am, in one word ma'am, what is running for you?
Life.
Running is life. Yeah, daghan na jud kay mo ma'am. Running is life. Murag 50 sa inyong kinabuhi is running na.
Mo ingat.
Thank you ma'am. Congrats.
Life begins at 40.
Yes, thank you ma'am. 40. Power pa kasi ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Sir, kumusta tong experience karon nga adlaw sir? Okay kayo. Wala ra ta nga bundak sir, wala ra.
Bundak ra ka.
Kasara. Di na mausap. Sir, ata nga lugar gikan sir?
Balay-balay.
Balay City. So, congrats sir. Bondar sir. Musta experience sir?
Yawa jud.
Wala sir oh. Relax kayo sir. Musta experience?
Ay, huwag mo ng Spider-Man noon.
Ganun.
Yung pagkalaan na naman dito.
Musta sir? Musta? Challenging. For you sir, in one word, what is running?
Peace of mind.
Running is peace of mind. Yeah. Let's go. Thank you sir. Congrats sir. Congrats. So, kumusta to experience ka karon nga adlaw ma'am? Amazing. Yeah. To ata nga lugar gikan ma'am? Ata nga lugar gikan? Davao. For you ma'am, what is running for you?
Running is healing.
Running is healing. Okay ma'am, thank you. Congrats ma'am, congrats. Running is healing. Yeah. So, good morning sir. Happy na good afternoon sir. So, kumusta yung experience karon nga adlaw sir?
Grabe ka. Action nga.
Action. Ata nga lugar gikan sir? Ata nga lugar gikan?
Balay-balay.
Malay. So, sir, for you, in one word, what is running?
Money.
Money. Gasto sir, gasto. Okay sir, thank you. Sir, kumusta to ang adlaw karon sir? Okay ra kayo. Oh. So sir, in one word, what is running for you?
Kuan sabay. Kining indot ko siya nga sport.
Sport. Sport, yeah. Thank you sir. Ata nga lugar gikan sir?
Di ako sa
Dulogon. Okay, thank you sir, thank you. Dubai, paldo, dagan na kay kindi bay. Bebe.
Napagay ko yapon.
Wala, bebe. Paldo bay. Paldo kay bay. Nara sir. Sir, kumusta to experience karon sir?
Pwede ko maingon, mga nagi pasabog si pakantukan like kay Dasal.
Yes sir, congrats. Doon na lang sir, mga 1.5 na lang, highway na yun. Sir, kumusta to experience sir? Grabe ka ulan. Sir, in one word sir, what is running for you?
Running is love.
Running is love, yeah. Congrats sir. Doon na lang.
Nangyaging last year, init kayo.
Init kayo karon, ulan na sad.
Ulan kayong risbak.
Pamawi sir, pamawi. Sir, kumusta to ang experience karon nga adlaw?
Ting lapuka.
Perting lapo ka. Ata nga lugar gikan sir?
Kayo.
Ata nga lugar gikan?
Ha?
Atang
Davao.
Davao
Yes,
City.
interview ni.
Yes sir.
Shout out diha
Sir.
taga Davao.
Yes, sir. In one word, sir. Para sa mo, what is running?
What is running?
Para sa mo.
Isura sa dani nakuan mo
Bye, bye.
dani day.
Mura sa stress reliever na siya, sir. Pangkuan ba?
What is running, Jay?
What is running in one word, sir? Para sa mo. Running is...
Therapy.
Running is therapy. Okay?
Excitement.
Running excited. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Say hi to my vlog, sir. So, kumusta tong experience karon, sir? Ikatawa na lang.
Tawanan.
Sir, in one word, sir, what is running for you? Thank you, sir. Congrats, sir. Congrats. So, may adlaw, ma'am. So, kumusta to experience today, ma'am? Hala,
Masaya na.
masaya.
Masaya na, nakakapagod.
So, saan ka po kayo galing, ma'am?
Manila.
Manila. So, ma'am, for you, in your own words, ma'am, what is running for you?
Running is health.
Running is health. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats. From Manila pa si ma'am, no? So, nag-usap kami, nag-inusapay kami. Okay. So, kumusta tong experience karon nga adlaw, sir?
Grabe.
Grabe.
Sulit ka sulit.
Sulit ka, sulit. Sa ata nga lugar gikan, sir?
Balay.
Balay. Congrats, sir. Congrats. Kumusta experience, sir?
Gabi kapita.
Gabi.
Slide.
So, congrats, sir. Congrats. Balay, yaman, sir.
Oh, balay.
Congrats, sir. Congrats. Hapa si Zero. Medyo kapoy, sir. Kapoy na yun, sir. Kapoy kayo. Balay, yaman gikan, sir? Ay, kalilangan. So, in your own words, sir, what is running for you? Especially, okay na, sir. Ako na nasabtan, sir. Congrats, sir. Congrats. We have another runner. Kumusta to experience, sir?
Nakadabit ang slide.
Sa ata lugar gikan, sir? Don Carlos. Sir, in one word, what is running for you?
Kuan. Hago-hago pero enjoy.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Congrats.
Thank you.
Sir, mayong adlaw, sir. Kumusta to ang experience karon nga adlaw, sir?
Very
Very good.
very muddy.
Very funny. Congrats, sir. Congrats. So, kumusta tong kuan karon, ma'am? Mga tuwang experience? Kapoy. So, in one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Happiness.
Happiness. Running is happiness. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats. Sir, mayong hapon, sir. Kumusta to experience for today, sir? Sir, in one word, sir, what is running for you?
Life.
Running is life, yeah. Thank you, sir. Congrats, sir. Congrats. Running is life. So, kumusta to experience karon, sir? Okay na. Kapoy. So, ata nga lugar gikan, sir? Davao. So, in one word, sir, what is running for you?
It's tawag nito. What is running for me?
Ah,
It's good for health.
health. Running is health. Good
Yeah,
for
yeah.
it. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Congrats. Davao pa si sir, no? So, we have another runner. So, mayong adlaw. So, what is your experience for today? Nangabundak ba ta? Ano ba? Okay ra ba? Okay ra. So, atang lugar, ma'am, sir? Balay. So, in one word, what is running for you guys?
Amazing.
Running is amazing. Yeah. Thank you and congrats. So, nanapunta tayo another runner? So, mayong hapon, sir. So, sir, kumusta to experience, sir? Good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Congrats, sir. Congrats. Sir, kumusta to experience, sir? Good kayo. So, ata nga lugar gikan, sir? Agusan layo ba kanina, sir? So, in one word, sir, what is running for you?
Running is life.
Running is life. Thank you. Running is life. So, mayong udto, sir. So, kumusta to experience, sir? Pati ka po ya.
Nagwanito wa bro, dagan ginang wani sa Kasbar Camp.
Dagan pa dito, sir.
Napay tolo, kung na sagbuan ambot lang iba na to.
So, may hapon, ma'am. Kumusta to experience, ma'am? Grabe.
Sa pababaw. Gubunan ako kumidyas kay
Ata nga lugar gikan, ma'am?
San Fernando.
San Fernando. So, for you, ma'am, what is running?
Running is happy.
Happy, yeah. Running is happiness. Yeah, let's go.
Come on.
Sir, kumusta to experience karon, sir? Okay kayo. So, ata nga lugar gikan, sir? At ang lugar Manolo Portage. So, amping sir. Congrats sir, congrats. Daghan pa dito sir? Mga 20, okay. Thank you sir. Kumusta to experience karon sir? Okay kayo. At ang lugar gikan sir? Davao. So Davao pa si sir no? So, in one word sir, what is running for you sir? Exercise. Yeah. Congrats sir, congrats. Dolo lang sir. Daghan pa dito sir?
Murag.
Thank you sir, congrats. Anan?
Ay!
Oh. So, kumusta tong experience karon sir?
Okay kayo, goods kayo.
Goods kayo.
First lang for dito.
First, kang lugar gikan sir?
Don Carlos.
Don Carlos. So, for you sir, in one word, what is running?
Piti.
Running. Piti good. Mo gyud mga tubag sir. Thank you sir. Congrats sir, congrats. So, what is your experience for today, ma'am? Kumusta mo mga sa may nahitabo dito? Mga kaganapan. May gali way ulan. Wala ra na ulanan. Init kayo no? So, hatang lugar gikan, ma'am? Kitaw-taw. So, in one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Challenge.
Running is challenge. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats, ma'am. Congrats.
Thank you, sir. Tama.
Baba nagawa ko sa kuan sa
Kabuok.
Welcome. So, kumusta to experience, sir?
Kira
Okay ra. Hatang lugar gikan, sir?
Kalinan.
Kalinan, layo pa kanimo, sir. In your own words, sir, for you, what is running?
Running is saan?
Hangak, sir, hangak.
Tuga-tuga kung wala kay practice.
Yeah. Okay, congrats, sir. Congrats. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dolo lang, sir. Sabi ba? Slide mo dito, sir. Slide.
Gabi dito. Wala na kayong uban ni Saka kay bro. Hindi na makuhan ba? Kay basta ulan din kayo niya.
Lagi.
Siyempre dagan na naka. Di na basta-basta. Samad-samad na kayo gani.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Congrats. So, kumusta tong experience karon, sir? So, tagagikan nga lugar, sir? Balay pa si sir, no? So, kumusta, sir? Lapok yun, sir. Lapok.
Salot yun mi sa lapok.
Congrats, sir. Congrats. Sir, kumusta experience, sir?
Ay, rato ko ng kuan, tubo.
Dili yan sa running, sir. Tubo na. Tubo na.
Baratong
Bata na mo.
Dalan daot. Malabuno.
Sir, congrats.
Sige boss.
Murag wala ka gikapoy sa dagan karon, sir ba? Wala ra. Kumusta experience, sir? Injured? Yay.
Baptas na na pa eh.
Yay. So, kumusta, sir? Tahat ang lugar gikan, sir? Balay. So, congrats, sir. Congrats.
Thank you.
Dolo lagi, sir. Thank you. Dolo lang, sir. Napay idea, sir, ay. Siguro ka mag-relax. Ayong udto, mga ma'am. Kumusta tong experience karon nga adlaw, ma'am? Murag wala gyud mo gipangkapoy, ma'am. Blooming yapon kayo mo, ma'am.
Lagi ka po yung muna.
At ang lugar gikan, ma'am.
Ha?
At ang lugar gikan.
Cagayan
de Oro. Malay-balay. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
The best.
Running is the best. Wow. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats.
Mak, hinata.
So, murag wag gyud mo gikapoy, ma'am ba? Blooming kay mo tanaw niya pon. Mura jud ka nang mura ra bitaw ni kuan lang 1 km nga road run. Bitaw mahamog gikan nga lugar, ma'am. Don Carlos, San Fernando. So, unsa tong may istorya sa ruta, ma'am? Lami. Yeah. In one word, ma'am, what is running for you?
Isig kayo describe ba?
Bisod yo.
Isig kayo siya ma-describe.
Basta pagantukan nga ko antel.
Sada good. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Congrats, ma'am. Congrats. Dolo lang, ma'am. Napay station na, ma'am. Then 1.5 na lang mga nananan mo sa highway na pod, ma'am. So, kumusta to experience karon, sir? Murag wala ra ka nahagol, sir ba? Wala ra. So, atang lugar gikan, sir? Kadingilan. So, in one word, sir, what is running for you, sir?
Kalas ko.
Running is expensive, sir. Yeah. Congrats, sir. Thank you. Danlog, sir. Danlog.
Yes.
Atang lugar gikan, sir? Cagayan, sir. From Cagayan?
Dito lang. So,
Chada, ma'am. Chada.
Grabe kita talaga. Baka matay niya. Grabe.
Ay, sige lang. Dito na sa finish line, ma'am.
sulit kayo, sulit.
Sulit kayo. Piso na paduos barkamba.
Ambi ma, congrats ma'am, congrats. So, mga to official photographers. Ay mga sir.
Gerald!
Bantay lang ka.
So, marami congrats yapon sila, kinakabot yapon sila kuan. Bar camp. Daghan pa. So, hi sir. Kumusta sir? Good sir. Official photographer yapon kuno niyo. Official yapon sir. Yeah.
Pon.
Kumusta to ang dagan ma'am? Dili gyud okay ma'am. Murag kay kagulan ni dagan ma'am, blooming kayo.
Lipstick na.
Ma'am, ay hapon ma'am. Kumusta to ang dagan karon ma'am? Slight ra, easy, basic. So, in one word ma'am, para si ma, what is running for you?
Ay, upo man na. Ay, blanco na ko.
Blanco na, okay na ma'am.
Ilan tao dito?
Normal lang na ma'am.
Kuya, irataan niyo.
Okay, congrats ma'am, congrats. Thank you. So, may hapon ma'am, kumusta tong dagan karon ma'am? Okay lang. So, hatagi ka na lugar ma'am? Jensen. So, mayong hapon ma'am, congrats ma'am, congrats. Ay, nasag si ma'am. So, saya nga day ma'am. Jensen, yapon ka ma'am? Balay. So, mayong hapon ma'am. So, ma'am,
Salt pero the best.
in one word ma'am, what is running for you? Inspiration. Running is inspiration. So, may hapon ma'am and sir. So, kumusta to ang dagan karon? Kaya ra. Tagi ka ng lugar ma'am sir.
Starting
Dili, kanong inyo yung place sir. Amo gikan.
sa...
Tagom. So, in one word ma'am and sir, what is running for you?
Passion.
Running is passion. Yeah. Nice kayo. Marshall. So, kumusta?
Starting guys.
Sir.
Okay ra.
Napa dito? Wala na.
Duha sila pero ang isa gid di nakakaya.
So good sa day. Sana lang para wala ko. Ngayong hapon sir. Kumusta to ang dagan sir? Sulit. At ang lugar gikan sir? Cagayan de Oro. So welcome to Pangantukan sir. Congrats sir, congrats. Thank you. Let's go. Rescue. So mga nagro to guys. Thank you. So goods na. So that's all. Last na to is a rescue. Thank you. Sir, thank you.